Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal Business for a US website, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the PayPal website at www.paypal.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. Choose the business account option when prompted. Click on Get Started to proceed. Enter your email address that you want to associate with your PayPal business account. Click Continue. Fill in your first and last name in the designated fields. Provide your mobile phone number to receive a verification code. Input the verification code sent to your mobile phone. Create a strong password for your account. Click Agree and Create Account to move forward. Select your business type from the list provided. Fill out your business information, including the business name and address. Indicate the type of products or services your business offers. Provide additional details like your legal business name if it differs from your public name. Fill in the required information about your business's tax ID or social security number. Complete the personal information section, including your date of birth. Click Continue after filling out all required fields. Review your information to ensure accuracy. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click Agree and Create Account to finalize your registration. Once registered, you will be taken to your new PayPal business account dashboard. Link your bank account or credit card to facilitate transactions. Follow the prompts to confirm your bank or card details. Complete the identity verification process by uploading any necessary documents. Once verified, explore the features available in your new PayPal business account. Customize your payment preferences to suit your business needs. Start integrating PayPal payment options into your US website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.